number um, 16.4 in our textbook, 134 page. The sum of first 6 terms of geometric progression. Okay, I will do the fifth question. Fifth question. The sum of first 6 terms. S is. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the geometric progression. Geometric progression given 18 comma 12 comma 8 comma 11. This is the fifth question. Sum of the first 6 terms of geometric progression 18 comma 12 comma 8. If you observe this geometric progression, first term is 18. Common ratio R equals 12 divided by 18. 12 divided by 18 is 2/3, simplified. Now you can use this formula, Sn formula. S6 equals then A. A is 18 brackets R. R is 2/3. But 2/3 is less than 1. It's better to use this formula. 1 minus 2/3 to the power 6. 6. Divided by 1 minus 2/3. Then 18 brackets 1 minus 2 to the power 6 is 64, no? Divided by 3 to the power 6. 3 times 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. 243 times 3. 729, no? Divided by, I put this division sign, no? Because we have fractions. We have a fraction in denominator, so I put it using the division operation. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. Now 18, if you simplify this, taking common denominator, 729. 729 minus 64. Then this 5. 665. Division can be converted to multiplication by taking the reciprocal. Now I can simplify 3 divided by 3, 1. 729 divided by 3 is 243. Even I can simplify 18 and 243. 3 divided by 18 divided by 3 is 6. 243 by 3 is 81. Again I can divide 6 and 81 by 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. 6 divided by 3 is 2. then I can multiply these two. 665 times 2 is 1330 divided by 27. You can give it as a mixed number. Okay. This is the sum of the systems. Now I am going to do with you the question number 8. How many of the initial terms should be added from the geometric progression with first term 4? First term 4 and common ratio 2 are equals to, for the sum to be equal to 1020. This is the question. They have given the first term and common ratio and the sum. How many terms needed to be added? How many terms means they are asking us to find n Sn given summation. R is greater than 1, then we can use Sn formula. A r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 for geometric progression. Sn given 1020, you can replace Sn. A for r is 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Substitution part is all. It is here 1020 equals 4 times 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 1. You have no need to put it because 2 minus 1 is 1. You need to put. This is. Do you have it? N minus 1. It's not minus 1. R is 2, then 2 minus 1. Then you can divide both sides by 4 in order to make n alone. We are trying to get n alone. Here you have 2n to the power n minus 1. If you divide this one by 4, 2, 255, no? Then I need to bring this negative 1 to this side, then it becomes positive 1. Positive 1 to be added, 256. Now we need to give 256 as a power of 2. You are correct, yes. Good initiative. 256 must be divided by 2. 128 to 64 to 32 and to 16 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 1. Then how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power n equals 2 to the power 8. Therefore, n equals 8. You need to add 8 terms to get the sum equal to 1020 in this geometric progression. We have done the 8th question. Similarly, can you try to do the 9th question? I will read the ninth question and write the data. You can find find the number of initial terms. Find the number of initial terms that need to be added from the geometric progression here they have given the progression 3 comma negative 12 comma 48 comma dot 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 for the sum of for the sum to be equal to this time the sum is 9831. We need to find n. Find the number of initial terms now. N need to be found. By looking at this geometric progression, you can find what the values of A and R. A is automatic. It is 3, no? 3. R is any term other than the first term, negative 12 divided by the preceding term. Preceding term is 3. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. It is negative 4. Now you have data. We need to find n as we did earlier. Sn formula r here less than 1 minus r power divided by r 1 minus r. Then Sn 9831 equals a is 3 brackets 1 minus r is negative 4 to the power n divided by 1 minus r negative 4 9831 equals 3 brackets 1 minus r to the power n. 4 minus minus is plus. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then multiply both sides by 5. This side also 5. Then 5 times
minus side another. Minus side.
Minus minus plus.
1 is added minus in a 4 is minus.
1 negative 7 minus 7. No? 1 minus 4
R minus 1 minus.
Then 1 minus r. R negative 4 is less than 1. Plus minus marvel negative 5. Now if I multiply 3, 1 minus R to the power n, here 5, 15, 41, 45, 49,155. Then you need to divide both sides by 3. 3 to 3 cancel. 1 minus 4 to the power n equals, if you divide this one by 3, we will get 1, 6. 1, 3, 2, 8, 4, 5. I will do in the other side. Then if you make negative 4 to the power n the subject, right, then make, take this term to come positive one term, then take this one to this side and take this one to the other side, right? Then it is 1 minus 16,385, right? Then negative 4 to the power n equals 1 minus this one is negative 16,384. We need to write this number as a power of, you have got as a power of negative 4. This must be written as a power of negative 4, because this one also in the base of negative 4. Right? This number also must be written as a power in the base negative 4. For that we need to divide 16,384 by 4 continuously until you get 1. 4, 0, 9, 6. Like that. Then 4, 1, 0,
2,
2, 4, 4, 2,
5, 6,
5, 6, by 4,
64,
by 4, 16, by 4, 4, 4, 1. No? How many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 4 to the power 7. Bases are same in both sides. Therefore, n equals 7. This is here. 7 terms must be added. You can write it down if you want to. Next, we need to discuss about problem solving related to geometric progressions. I think we can discuss it in our next session.